let's give this guy some rest. How am I dealing with my first plant deaths with an S? Different stalks from different roots. Happy Sunday, everyone. So I hope I can upload this tonight. This is just for my indoor gardening series. So what I'm going to do today, I'm made up. I'm in my work clothes or Sunday clothes normally because it's Sunday and it's church day normally, but I'm gonna hear mass online. Of course, I can't go out, so I'm gonna hear mass, so I dressed up like this. But before that, I am going to do an update on my gardening activities, indoor gardening today. So I have prepared my water. I don't think it's enough, so this is just tap water that I had left overnight, and I have a lot of things to do today, so let's see. I'm just gonna start off with my bamboo plant right here. It's running out of water, so I just keep on adding it maybe every 2 weeks. My little peperomia, let's see if it's, I've just repotted this. Maybe I can put a little, just a little maybe. I'm not gonna water all my plants. And my ZZ plant here, I'll leave it because I think the soil is still moist and you don't have to water it regularly, I think. It's one of the easiest plants to take care of, I think. My ZZ plant also, I'm not gonna water it. And another ZZ plant here, nope, not that. And my crassula, some leaves have fallen off, but there are some growth here, so it's still damp. I'll leave it as it is. And then this one, my silver satin pothos. I really am so excited for this because a new leaf has unfurled and another one. And I'm so tempted to propagate this because I think this is a root right here. But I think this leaf is still too small. Maybe I'll wait 2 weeks and then I'll cut it and propagate it. And let's see. Yeah, it's still damp. I watered this last week. And this one, maybe I have to water this. Yeah, it's dry. And just water this for a bit. That should be enough, I think. So this has a drainage down there. I'll just leave it there. Peperomia, it's quite dry, but I don't want to kill it because I like this thing. It's still damp. Maybe I'll water it next week. Okay, and the other peperomia I have. Okay, let me do this. Okay, it's still damp. And this one, the leaves had started turning yellow. Okay, I'm not sure if I should be watering this. Okay, it's still damp. Maybe I'll leave it. I don't want to kill it. Or just maybe spray it. Yeah, wait. Missed it. Spray it. However you may call it. Just a little. Maybe. Should be fine, right? I really don't want to kill this one because I like it and it's growing. Should be enough, I think. Now let's put this back. Okay. And my Dracaena, I didn't water this last week, so maybe it needs watering now. So what's the other one? Oh, it's still quite damp. Even though I don't like this that much, I also don't want to kill it. This one's dry. Maybe I can put some, just a little. Okay. So let's just put a little. That's enough. Okay, and this other money plant. This should be fine, right? It's damp. No, or the soil is cold. Maybe just a little. Just a tiny bit. Okay. Just over to this side. Okay, that should be enough. And put it back. Oh, excuse me, chica. Wait, there. My Hoya is, let's see. Oh, it's still damp. And I think it's doing well. But this one, I'll tackle this one because we have a funeral to attend to later on when it comes to my English ivy. This one, I think I just watered it. Yeah, I remember I watered it, so it should be damp. And my propagations, except for the crassula, I don't know how often they need to change the water, but I'll leave it on for maybe another week. So on this one, I hope you can see. Let's do this. Can you see those roots? Yeah, it's growing out. And this one, I'll just mist this. Maybe I'll mist this too. At least it has some moisture in it. And this one, I just watered it 2 days back. And my spider plant, let's see, it's kind of damp. It's fine. That's another ZZ plant, my crassula, my philodendron. This one I also don't want to kill because I like it and it's growing so much. That's a new leaf there. Another one's growing. So wait, let's see. Okay, if it's still dry, wet and needs watering. Oh, it feels dry. So, but I'm just gonna mist it. Okay, I hope I'm doing the right thing. So this should be good for now. One more. No, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one is from a cutting. And I think it's slowly dying. Okay, let's just mist it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a good number, right? Okay, I'll just mist this one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over to this side. I'm so happy with this one. This baby ZZ plant on its 2nd week and it's growing. And it's kind of dry, but it's damp inside. And this one, there's a baby growing at the back. Yeah, it's damp, so I don't want to water that. And my snake plant, yeah, it's still damp. And my rubber plant, okay, yeah, it's still moist, so I'll leave that. So I'm done watering my plants. Now let's move on to a more serious stuff. Okay, so my English ivies have started dying out on me. Like this one, I've tried to remove dead leaves. I don't know what I did. Maybe I overwatered it. And that one also is dying. I've removed some leaves, but I'll see if it lives. But this one is totally out. So let's give this guy some rest. And it's totally dried out. And ta-da! Okay, so this is a peperomia. I know from my last video I said it's gonna come back to life within that day, but it didn't. So it's been looking like this for days now. But this is another ivy. Okay, it's totally dry, so that's another plant death there. But this one I think is really dead. So how am I dealing with my first plant deaths with an S? Since I'm not really into these plants, I'm okay. I feel fine. But my plan is with this one, I am going to replace it with my spider plants. I think it had acclimated to the environment already after having it for a month now. So there are some baby spider plants there, if that's what I call it, or different stalks from different roots. Wow. Different stalks from different roots. That's new for me. Okay, so I'm gonna repot it and then I'll move it up to that space. Back to my cell phone. Okay. So that was a quick gardening activity for the week. And let me just double check everything. So I'll see you on the next one. I don't know what to post. Maybe I'll insert a clip of me repotting my spider plant. Quick one, so just watch it. Basically, I'm just gonna save the soil on these dead plants. I'll repot this because we're trying to save soil. Can't go out, so I'll put a new spider plant here. Okay, let's see. Okay, you're done watching that. So thank you very much. Have a good week, everyone. Happy Sunday. It's another new week from tomorrow for the rest of you, but I've started work today on Sundays till Thursday. So have a good one, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye.